Jay Chaudhary collected almost $6 million worth of fees, even though he's not a licensed mortgage broker and hasn't been for more than 10 years. In 2008, he was suspended for 4 months after allegedly using false information to secure financing for his clients from a range of banks. He's accused of falsifying tax documents, saying his clients worked for companies that didn't exist, and earning more income than they actually did. After his suspension in 2008, he never renewed his license. But last year, BC's financial services regulators started getting tips that Chaudhary was working again, this time going through a network of at least 20 licensed mortgage brokers and realtors to get financing for his clients, the whole time collecting hefty fees.
Mr. Chaudhary has deliberately attempted to avoid detection in his activities by using pseudonyms, multiple phone numbers, different email addresses and companies, as well as a network of registered submortgage brokers.
According to the cease and desist order from 2009 to mid-2018, he worked on 875 deals, made more than $5 million in client fees, and arranged over $500 million in mortgage loans. The regulator says these kinds of deals put borrowers at risk of being locked into mortgages they can't afford, which is why people are encouraged to do their homework.
I'd also encourage industry to report any and all suspected misconduct. I think this file represents an instance where maybe on a transaction by transaction basis, what might seem like a good idea at the time, making a quick buck, can balloon to this magnitude.
And this is just the beginning. There are multiple investigations into the mortgage brokers who played a part in this fraudulent activity. CBC News did reach out to Chaudhary for comment, but hasn't heard back. And he does have a right to appeal the cease and desist order. But if the order is breached, it could result in fines or even jail time. Tina Lovegreen, CBC News, Vancouver.